Hey everyone, Sarah from Edcafe with another prompt engineering tip to help you make the most out of Edcafe's tools. Today's tip is all about the chatbot and creating a tutor chatbot that guides students through clear learning objectives with a mini lesson and then some quizzes, and then also the option for students to ask any questions throughout at every single step of these learning objectives. So to create a chatbot that can help your students with this, let's go into our Create New and our chatbot. And when we describe our chatbot, we can add something like this. So we can say that it is a tutor chatbot teaching students about a specific topic, and then create 6 clear learning objectives that will guide a beginner student through this topic step by step. So you can also include some different steps that you want to be included on each one of those objectives. Then we can just create our chatbot, and Edcafe will come up with that role and different goals and those best practices and the interaction style, all based on that information that we gave it before. So once that's done, give it a save in your Edcafe library and share it with students so that you can begin chatting like this.